we have the Zuabola brand remote control off-road truck with LED lights, upright 360 swivel, and special steering design. Let's open it up. Actually, let me just show you the box real quick. Appreciation, package appreciation. The design you'll see right here on the side. It shows the remote control features. It has 2 joysticks. And then it shows off what it can do. It says dancing stunt car. So let's see how well it dances. I'm going to turn it to the side. We have here acrobatic remote control car operation manual. It has the photos of the battery, the remote control battery, which also, just since we're on this already, the remote control truck itself has the battery, which is a 2.4 gigahertz remote system. And it includes 2 7.4V 1200 mAh batteries for 60 minutes of playtime, meaning it's 30 minutes per battery. But the remote control for this toy doesn't include batteries. It requires 2 AA batteries, where you can get those anywhere. Okay, so let's move on. Wow. This almost weighs nothing. That's good. And then we have, I don't want to break this, so let's just be a little careful. We have the remote. Not too big, not too small. Like I said earlier, 2 joysticks, on and off button, and auto. Okay, and then it comes with a little Ziploc baggie for the tools. There you have there, a little 4 pieces. Okay. So in this box that's also included are the 2 batteries that go in the truck, and it also comes equipped with the charger. That's nice. And here we also have the 2 AA batteries that are going to go into the remote control. And like I said earlier, not included. This is our own set of batteries. So I went ahead and unscrewed the back of the remote. So we're gonna put the batteries in, put the cap back on, and we'll flip this on once we get the batteries in the monster truck. So we have the battery in, the door, make sure it's screwed. Make sure you don't lose these little screws. There's tiny screws, they're easy to lose. All the little parts are very easy to lose. For example, the black pins that I was talking about earlier just fell off the top of the truck while I was inserting the batteries. I'm gonna clip it back in, but just make sure that it's all the way in there. And that's why they have the backup clips, but once you're out of the backup clips, you're gonna have to contact the company probably and get more, or find it on your own. Okay, so we have that clip back on. I'm gonna hang on to the top just in case. Now you're gonna look for the switch, and then we're gonna switch on the controller. Okay, so we're gonna flip this on. You're gonna find the on and off button on the left side of the truck. Cool. And then we're gonna flip this on, the remote control.
Put it on.
And then we're gonna flip the on button on the remote control. And we're ready to roll. Okay, so these are the directional joysticks. Oh, hey. Let's go outside and try it out.